Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Judy, the Armchair Traveler. Today I'm teasing a virtual journey to Tours, a city at the crossroads of French architecture and history. From royal power to the Middle Ages to Renaissance elegance, Tours has stories buried in every slippery cobblestone. Here's a fun fact for you. I thought the word Tours meant tower, like a defensive structure, and was quite disappointed to find out there was no castle here. I had guessed that's how the city got its name, but the word actually refers to the Touronnes, an Iron Age people who lived in the area. Although in modern French, the word also does mean tower. If you like wandering charming streets, medieval houses, grand churches, are interested in music or religion, you'll feel right at home. Cafes spill into lively squares, and the fact that it's a college town means that there are plenty of inexpensive places to dine and drink and things to do. King Louis XI actually founded the first university here, although it didn't go by that name. And today, the University of Tours thrives with literature, medical research, and one of the world's best language institutes. It's said to be perfect if you want to perfect your French accent. Moving outside of the city, and you'll find yourself in the legendary Touraine countryside, sometimes called the Garden of France. The Loire River winds through this area past fairy tale castles like Chenonceau and Amboise. We'll visit Amboise later in our tour. It's a landscape painted by history, architecture, and people. I would be remiss if I didn't mention the wine. A local Sauvignon Blanc imported from here can be yours for as little as $7 American a bottle. Although I do have to warn you, while some are bright and fresh and absolutely delicious, others prove the adage that cheap French white wine is a false economy. But finding out which is which can be part of the fun and fairly inexpensively. So come back next time, grab a cup of coffee or pour a glass of wine, kick back and join me, the Armchair Traveler, for a virtual stroll through Tours, where history, charm, and flavor collide. I'll see you soon.